Intelligent manufacturing. Do you know how to make high-quality machines? What processing details need to be paid attention to? Today I will tell you about the processing details of cables and wires in KDT machinery. Smart cropping, precision casing, wire stripping, terminal crimp test integrated, quick cable take-up, intelligent manufacturing, fully automated production, guaranteed quality and quantity, automatic soldering, uniform soldering, good soldering quality, fast and stable soldering, laser marking, stripping and cutting together, length measurement conveying, stripping and cutting together, KDT's crimping terminal, stable, reliable, quality guaranteed. Comprehensive test of precision cable. Eliminate faulty connection, faulty welding, leakage, short circuit and open circuit. Ensure long-term stable operation of equipment.